you so much for being here today. Kind of the why behind our Multicultural Day, which this is the 3rd annual and just keeps getting bigger and better with every year, is to show our students that there's so much more in our world than just their little town of Redding.
Albarradas blanca, brocal de los pozos, casitas de paja de la tierra mía. Albarradas blanca, brocal de los pozos, casitas de paja de la tierra mía.
Today is our 3rd annual multicultural event. It just gets bigger and better every year. It is amazing to see the Sycamore community come together with the members of our community. We are having food and music and learning about different cultures and countries. We have dancing, everybody from children to adults doing solos and group dancing. They've got makeup on. It is just amazing. It is just an amazing representation of just the world around us.
I just mentioned it to Miss Biancalana. She loved the idea. And we just started like a Sycamore family, very small. Look at this year, you get, oh my God, it's wonderful to see this many families, parents, other schools from a school, Redding School District. So it turned out really, really well.
I really enjoyed seeing the little people. That's the best part, and I think if the kids, they're able to see the different cultures. Real good to see these little people learning.
This is a basho haiku. So it's a spring haiku about cherry blossoms. So they're using some very thin paint so it'll dry quickly. Would you like to make one too?
Welcome to Multicultural Day, you guys. Hello, hello. With this being our 3rd annual event, it's been great the last 2 years, and so our superintendent had just asked, would you mind if we invited the 5th graders across the district? It's such a great event, and well, of course not. It's great for kids. The learning that is just happening here all day has been phenomenal.
Part of my organizing efforts, I contact with the community, multicultural community to bring in their food, dance, music experience to one platform where we can all enjoy food, dance, music, and community engagement. You will see people love every part of the food, Thank you, and really appreciate the efforts the Sycamore School has done and the whole school district, to bring all this together. Cindy and Angie did a great job,
I just want to thank everybody for being here. This has been such an amazing event. I also want to thank everybody who had a part in planning and organizing and making this day happen. It truly is a whole community that put together this fantastic day for kids so they could learn about other countries and cultures, taste food, do dancing, see dancing. It's just been absolutely amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you.